Welcome back to the Dinar Community Channel. Today marks a landmark development for Iraqi Dinar (IQD) holders across the globe. For years, this currency has stood at the center of global monetary conversations, surrounded by speculation, doubt, and quiet hope. Many have spent years tracking government signals, combing through economic forecasts, and watching closely for even the smallest shift. That time of waiting is over. Confirmed activation. What was once dismissed as a long-shot theory or fringe speculation is now unfolding before our eyes in real time. For the first time in over a decade, authorized financial institutions around the world are enacting coordinated procedures for Iraqi dinar exchange. This isn't symbolic. It's documented, tracked, and taking place within verified and secure banking infrastructures. Across the US, Europe, and the Middle East, financial institutions have officially received the go-ahead to begin facilitating IQD redemptions. This isn't just a policy shift, it's a life-changing milestone for IQD holders worldwide. Major bank participation. Verified reports confirm that major banks, including Chase, Wells Fargo, and HSBC, are now operationally processing IQD transactions. Updates to digital systems, currency authentication equipment, and staff training are now complete. Redemption centers, dedicated in bank departments specifically built to manage these transactions, have gone live. These are no longer test cases or isolated rumors. This is full-scale implementation. Foreign currency desks are now equipped to validate, scan, and exchange IQD for eligible customers, and are doing so under tight regulatory oversight. Redemption protocols in motion. This activation comes with the highest levels of banking security. Redemption protocols include direct connections to international exchange systems, KYC and AML compliance, and centralized reporting. Banks have built out new infrastructure specifically to support the high demand expected from IQD holders. Every action has been deliberate and coordinated. Chase has confirmed over 140 branches participating across the United States. Wells Fargo now supports IQD appointments in at least 88 locations. HSBC has launched a VIP client outreach program through its wealth management division in London, offering direct IQD conversion opportunities for high-net-worth clients. Verification and execution. These are not anonymous claims or social media rumors. These are official actions backed by internal memos, executive directives, and platform-level data. Bloomberg FX terminals and SWIFT-connected systems now show live placeholder rates for the IQD, currently appearing in the institutional backend at 4.38 per dollar, though subject to adjustments. These systems are not available to the public through general searches. They're restricted to professional-level platforms used by banks, funds, and currency traders. Dry run stress testing is already underway using selected client accounts to validate systems for tax handling, liquidity controls, and compliance procedures. This is no longer theoretical. It's active. It's real. Action required. No room for delay. If you are an IQD holder, this moment is not one to approach casually. This is a window that demands clear thinking, organized preparation, and strategic execution. Your first steps determine whether you're accessing the full opportunity or missing critical advantages. Here's what you need. Post-2003 Iraqi dinars notes, as older versions are not accepted under current systems. Proof of purchase, receipts or certificates from licensed dealers, especially important for those redeeming large amounts. A verified appointment through your bank's foreign currency or wealth management division. Appointments are limited. High demand is already straining schedules, especially for larger redemptions. Timing is now a factor that may directly influence the rate and experience you receive. Security warning. Avoid scams. As with any high-value financial event, opportunists are surfacing. Be warned. No third party can offer legitimate early access, off-market rates, or contract deals unless they are licensed and tied to an institution. If someone says they can get you in early, bypass verification, or offer higher payouts outside of a bank, walk away. It's likely fraud. Stick to verified communication from major banks. Do not engage with unlicensed dealers, unregulated brokers, or online promotions promising fast returns. Bank redemption tiers. Choose wisely. There are typically two types of redemption pathways. 1. Standard exchange, immediate processing, but taxed at the point of transaction. 2. Structured redemption, a slower process that involves professional tax advice, financial planning, and potentially lower taxation through legal optimization. Choose the one that fits your goals. But do so with professional guidance. Mistakes here can cost you more than just time, they could cost your future. Internal memos confirm the rollout timeline. Newly surfaced documentation from HSBC, Chase, and other leading banks confirm that the full public launch of the IQD exchange protocol is imminent, expected within the next 72 to 96 hours. We've seen confirmations that Chase's internal systems are onboarding appointments starting as early as April 18, with priority given to high net worth and pre-verified clients. HSBC is moving from private testing to general access through its wealth division. This phased approach allows banks to handle high volumes while maintaining security and compliance. Phase 1. Priority clients with wealth management accounts. Phase 2. Verified IQD holders with documentation. Phase 3. Open access based on region and demand. The sooner you act, the better your access, rate, and advisory support. Why early action matters. Early movers are positioned for faster processing, potential access to higher contract rates, personalized redemption with licensed tax and wealth advisors. Those who wait or arrive unprepared may face longer wait times, higher taxation, and limited support. Banking centers are already seeing rising demand. The window is open, but it's not indefinite. From fringe to fact, a global shift. For years, mainstream media dismissed IQD revaluation as myth. No longer. Institutional systems are now online. Memos are circulating. Rates are live, though not public-facing, and currency desks are operational. The world has shifted. What we're witnessing is not just the revaluation of a single currency. It's the beginning of a broader economic realignment. Reports from the IMF and global banking leaders indicate that Iraq's return to the world stage coincides with a larger movement: asset-backed currencies, regional trade settlements, blockchain-based financial systems, and the gradual de-dollarization of global trade. The IQD revaluation is the tip of a spear, ushering in a new chapter in global finance. Final word: be prepared. This is your moment. The opportunity is real, but the outcome is yours to shape. Verify your notes. Get your documentation in order. Secure an appointment. Consult a financial professional. Avoid unverified offers at all costs. What was once hope is now happening. This is the Dinar community. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and act with clarity, because transformation waits for no one. Like and subscribe for more videos.